Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews, unboxings, styling tips, all of that stuff. So if you're interested, then make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell to be notified every time I post something new, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's @bonjouraika. For today I have a double Hermes unboxing of these two pieces, and what's different, they're not for me, but I was basically a personal shopper and I managed to score a bag, which is so hard to find, as well as a pair of shoes that is also impossible to find. But I guess I was lucky. When I say personal shopper, I mean I don't buy it for somebody I don't know. It's actually for the people I do know, for my friends, for my family. And so these pieces are for my mom's friend, but she's also like my friend, and I kind of influenced her into wanting to get this bag. And so for my birthday, we were in Montana, as I mentioned a few videos ago, and you know, we went to the city center. I've never been to Montana before, so I didn't even know what to expect, but I wanted to have breakfast there at a cafe. And so we passed by the city center, and we saw all of these boutiques like Prada, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, and so on and so forth. And I was surprised seeing that, but at the same time I thought, oh my god, this is like a luxury ski resort in Switzerland. Of course they would have luxury shops like this, and I already knew about the item my mom's friend wanted, and I wanted to go to Geneva store, but at the same time I knew that I wouldn't be able to get it there because it's, you know, the high season of tourists and everybody's just buying everything, and the stock is very limited in summer. So when I saw Hermes there, I thought, well, it's my birthday, maybe I should even use that to my advantage and ask for the pieces that I'm looking for. So we went to Hermes, and there was the nicest essay. I don't know his name, to be honest, because everything just went so quickly, but he was super sweet, super nice. I didn't even have to tell him about my birthday, so I just entered and he was like, hi, how are you? How may I help you? I immediately told him what I was looking for, and I was looking for this item, and he said, oh yeah, sure, we have one. And I was like, oh really? He was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it for you. And it was perfection. And then I asked about this piece, and he said, well, you know what, we actually received a few pairs this morning. And I was like, are you kidding me? So let's start with this one, and then I'll show you the other item that I got, the bag. So here's the box. It's a pair of shoes, and we were honestly so freaking lucky. So let's unbox it. They actually ordered this, the two pairs that they had in store for their customers, but for some reason one of them decided not to buy the item. I don't know why. Maybe she didn't like the color or something, but I think it's super freaking cool. So here's the first item that me, the personal shopper, managed to score, and it's the famous Cypress sandals, sheep sandals that are so hot right now. They're so freaking popular. You can never find a pair in your size. It's impossible. I've been looking for them for such a long time, and if you watched what I got for my birthday, you know that I actually got the same pair. So in Montana they had two pairs available in 36 and in 38. 38 is my size, 36 is the size I had to get for a friend. And you know, I was gonna get two pairs, but they said 38 is already reserved for somebody else and the person will for sure come. So I immediately texted my essay in Geneva, and he said, well, in 38 we only have one pair, and he sent me a picture of this ones, and I was like, oh my god, that's freaking cool. Yes, I'm gonna take them. I paid for them like right away using a link, and he kept them for me, so I picked them up the next day. But from Montana we managed to score these babies in size 36, the only ones they had available. This color is actually a new fall winter color, but Honestly, I cannot remember what the name is. It's like green, electric green or something. Yes, it's called electric green color, and it's the new color for fall winter, as I said before. And they are in suede leather. I'm not sure if, yeah, I think they do come in leather, in regular leather, but this is the softest suede, and I think it is even more comfortable than getting a regular leather pair. They are so freaking amazing, and I would compare the shoe to the Chanel Dat sandal. So the bottom part is exactly the same, it feels the same, it looks the same, but the top part is definitely a bit more comfortable because of this suede leather. It is so soft. So this is number one. My client was super happy when I delivered the news that I scored these babies, and the color is absolutely beautiful, especially for summer. It's so freaking perfect. And now let's move on to the grand item over here, the bag that I scored. And you know, when I saw the bag, I actually felt jealous. I have the same bag but in a different color, and I'll show you mine as well. But this one is just so beautiful. I haven't seen one like this before, and I think it's just so special, and it's so difficult to find this color. We have the bag sleeping on a pillow, and the dust bag. And so the bag that I scored for my friend is ta-da! It is so perfect. So this is a her bag in size 31. When I got mine, both my mom and her friend, they fell in love with the bag because it's just so cute and it resembles the Kelly bag. And I spoke about her bag. I have a full review video. If you're interested, I'll link it up here in the description box. You can watch it, and I will also include my bag, the unboxing that I did on it. But wow, I mean, the colors are epic. It's such a beautiful neutral bag. I think this is the most beautiful neutral her bag I've ever seen. So we all know about the classic bottom in this color. This color is called Beton, and the top part is usually gold like this, like the top handle we have, right? But in this case, it has it has 3 different colors. Amazing. Plus the bottom part. So 4 different colors in one bag. The price was the same as the one that I have, so 2,300. Although I thought it would be more expensive because of multiple colors. But here's what it looks at the bag. I also love this trim over here around the pocket. So the pocket stands out and it looks so beautiful. I love the pocket as well. It's just so convenient, you know. You know how I feel about the pocket. And here's the receipt, 2,300. And the colors are Beton, Fauve, Rouge Cellier, and what's the other one? It says, I have no idea what it says. It's just 2 letters and it's weird, but I will put the number as well as the colors as they are on the receipt, so you guys can Google it and find out a little bit more. But I opened the bag because nobody minded. They don't want the box. The box is too big, too heavy to carry, because we have to bring it to Kazakhstan. We have our Hermes store there, but it's impossible to get any bags there. They never have stock. And even to get this bag, it's just so difficult, and it takes such a long time. It's nearly impossible to find it there. So I thought she was so lucky. We were so lucky to be able to find it in Crown, Montana, which is so random, you know. I didn't even know they had a Hermes store in Crown, Montana. The interior of the bag looks like this. It is so cute. Here's the bag inside. It has the pochette, just like my bag has over here, which is so cute. With this bag, there is no point of reversing it because the color is exactly the same on the inside. And here we have the clochette and the padlock, I assume. Wow, in this beautiful, you know, dark brown chocolatish color, with a mix of burgundy a little bit, so it's the same color as the top over here. Wow, 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 wow. This bag is absolutely stunning. I will put everything back. I'm not gonna put anything on the bag. I will let its owner do all the fun parts with the bag. So I will have to wrap it up again, but this is the bag. What do you guys think? It's so beautiful. And I wanted to show you my bag as a comparison. So this is mine. It's in bubblegum pink, ruby red at the back, and gold at the top. And here is the other one. So the only things that match are the handles. They're all the same color. So cute. We'll be matching. And she also has the most gorgeous charm. She has the rodeo PM as well in orange color. I'm not sure if it's the Pegasus version or the regular version, but it's in alligator, I think. So it's some exotic skins, which is so freaking cool. And I think it will look beautiful on a neutral bag like this. It will spice it up a little bit, add some bright color to it. But wow, 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 wow. I mean, take a look at these colors. Isn't it the most perfect neutral hair bag you can get? I think I did an amazing job at being the personal shopper. I'm so jelly myself because, you know, if I were offered this bag, I would literally die because it's so beautiful. I didn't know that this kind of colors even existed, and I'm really happy for my mom's friend. But anyway, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.